In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Menyoo Trainer in GTA 5. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the Menyoo SP zip and download the Menyoo. And check my video description for the second link, ScriptHook 5. Select the download option. Suspicious download blocked. Click on this right arrow and select download suspicious file. Select this folder icon, right click on the script hook and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game and select open file location. For installing this mod, backup your GTA 5 folder. Once you're done, open the bin, then drop all these files except the text inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back, open the Menyoo SP, then drop the files except the text and drag and drop. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F8 key to open up this Menyoo menu. Use the down arrow and up arrow, choose the option. To select the option, press enter. To go back, use the backspace key. And now to test this Menyoo Trainer, I'm going to vehicle option, vehicle spawner. Select the cause, super. As you can see, the car image is shown. Select the car you like. And as you can see, the car spawn. To close this Menyoo menu, press the F8 key. Now you can ride the car you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.